Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jirai and I'm back with another video. And in today's video we just about to be installing this old wig and I'm about to be trying a new hairstyle. Well, new for me, but like not new to the game. So yeah, y'all just gonna watch me install this and see what it gives. I might pop in here and there and just say what I'm doing or whatever, but for the most part y'all can just watch what I'm doing. So yeah, but of course make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and let's just get into this video.
I need you to get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, please don't break. That pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no drink, cold up, don't change. And I ain't making love no more. Got a new what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving soft, calling on my face.
Oh, and I just want to say disclaimer right here. Y'all gonna see this little censored part throughout the rest of the video because my kids was in the background sleep and they didn't have on clothes. Then they woke up and it was playing. So yeah, y'all gonna see that throughout the video just because I'm censoring them out. And right here, I freaking realized that my elastic band was not even long enough to even tie around my head. So I had to hold it there and press it into my scalp and try to make it melt. But I got it done, so y'all gonna see.
My business, coming out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. Said your mommy screaming, but I said I keep it quiet. Keep it on low ski, I'm the lowest of the lows. But if you can keep it, let nobody knows. Keep it on low ski, I'm the lowest of the lows. But if you can keep it, let nobody knows.
Right here, this is me telling y'all that I don't even know how to use one of these, but I tried and I failed, but it's okay, y'all, it's okay.
We ain't making love no more. You took that drug, but you know not to win, so show whatever you want. Whatever you need, don't call me. I never suddenly like to get it poppin', but these in my business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. And your mommy screaming, but I'm sorry, I keep it quiet. Keep it on ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Keep it on ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Yeah. Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the curve, and murder, da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking. Yeah. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn.
So the time has come, and y'all about to see me fail drastically trying to do this. I just don't have the hand coordination to figure out how to twirl, spin, rap all at the same time. I just don't know how to do it. So yeah, it like what? Right here, yeah, be for real. Be for real. But I'm gonna try it again. It's still not gonna work, but I'm gonna try it again.
Recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel.
Bro, the concentration on my face, like, it's not that hard, but it's that hard. I just cannot figure it out. Look at this. Wrap it, twirl it. There we go. Okay, we might be onto something. Let me turn it so y'all can see. Let me turn it. We might be on. Oh, look at my face. I'm concentrated. Okay. Now we about to wrap it back up. And drop it. Oh. Do we got a curl? Okay. That's a face of satisfaction right there. Yeah. But then by this part, I done tried it multiple times trying to do it how I did that one, and it didn't work. So I just used the curling iron as a curling wand and just wrap the hair around it instead of trying to open it and do all of that. So yeah, no.
We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
So for the most part, this is the ending result of the hairstyle, and I actually really like this hairstyle. I just wish I could have curled the back of my hair way better, and it would have been a 10 out of 10 for me.
And I take heads up. And I take heads up. I got some new kid. I got some new swag. I got some new pet. I got some new pets. And I take heads up.